Welcome and very good morning to all of you. First of all, congratulations to Lucknow Shahriyaza. Lucknow's 104-year-old Shia PG College got a grade in NAC for the first time. A matter of pride for the people. The hard work of Maulana Yasuf Abbas Sahab Qibla paid off. Congratulations to Maulana Dr. Yasuf Abbas Sahab Qibla, Principal Professor Shabir Raza Bakri Sahab, Dr. Abu Tayyab Sahab, and all the students, parents, teachers, staff, and members of management committee. Really, Shia PG College was established in 1919. For the first time, the college has got its NAC assessment done. For this, the college administration was busy in preparation for more than 6 months. The shortcomings were also removed by conducting mock visits to test the preparations. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAC) has given a grade to the 104-year-old Shia PG College in the city. On 19th and 20th October, NAC's peer team visited the college and saw everything from departments, offices. On Wednesday morning from NAC, the college was informed about getting A grade in NAC, after which everyone from the principal of the college congratulated each other. Really, it was amazing. On October 19 and 20, the NAC team included Director of Gujarat National Law University, Gandhinagar, Professor Sanjeevi Santa Kumar, Member Coordinator and Principal of MES, Abba Saheb Garware, Mahavidyalaya Pune, Professor Pandarinath had seen and tested all the arrangements, facilities from departments and offices. Principal of the college, Professor Shabir Raza Bakri, said that we expected A+ grade from NAC, but getting a grade is also a big achievement for the college. Really, it is a big achievement. We were much better in many things, including infrastructure, education, governance. However, there were some shortcomings in the area of research. It is our endeavor that till the next evaluation, we will remove all our shortcomings. The media in charge of the college, Dr. Pradeep Sharma, told that getting A grade is a big achievement for the college. We tried to do a lot better in the preparation. We'll continue to try to do better. Really, very, very congratulations to all of you, every citizens of Lucknow, and every student, teacher, staff, member of the management committee of the Shia PG College. Goodbye.